Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,510. We expected crude oil to stay in buying, so right after the opening, the price tried to clear 4,520, resulted in a failure. Took various support near 4,480s and finally closed near 4,512. Again, the price tried to take some support near 4,920 like what it did on the previous day, but it looks like the price moved sideways. The opening and closing both are neutral. Today expected to open somewhere near 4,520s, so there is no change in our strategy. Still, you can expect crude oil to stay in buying. If you are a conservative trader, wait for the price to drop and then buy on support till 4,420 by placing stop loss near 4,410. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching good videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.